Welcome back, coin lovers. Today's video is going to surprise you because we are talking about dirty old wheat pennies that many people ignore. But some of these coins can still be worth real money even in worn and dirty condition. Yes, you heard that right. Coins that look old, dark, and even damaged can still have collector value. And if you have these pennies in your pocket, jar, or collection, you might be holding hidden treasure without even knowing it. So make sure you watch this video till the end because the value jumps and rare errors we will talk about can shock you. 1939 wheat penny coin in dirty condition. The 1939 wheat penny is a very interesting coin because it comes from a time when the United States was still recovering from the Great Depression and slowly moving toward the events of World War II. This gives the coin strong historical importance, and collectors always like coins that represent important moments in history. This coin is part of the famous Lincoln Wheat Cent series, which started in 1909 and continued until 1958, making it one of the most collected coins in the world. When you look at the design, even in dirty condition, you will still notice the portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the front side, designed by Victor David Brenner, with the words "In God We Trust" at the top, "Liberty" on the left, and the year 1939 on the right. On the back, you will see two wheat stalks surrounding the words 1 cent and United States of America, which gives this coin its popular name, the wheat penny. Now, many people think that dirty coins have no value, but that is not always true because collectors actually prefer coins that have not been cleaned, even if they look dark or worn. Cleaning can damage the original surface and reduce value, so a dirty 1939 penny can still be better than a clean, shiny one. The mintage of the 1939 wheat penny was quite high, with over 380 million coins produced across Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco mints, so it is not considered a rare coin in general. But here is where things get interesting. The value depends heavily on condition and errors. In dirty or circulated condition, most 1939 pennies are usually worth between a few cents to a few dollars. But if the coin has better detail or less wear, the value can increase significantly. For example, a well-preserved 1939 penny with original red color can reach hundreds of dollars, sometimes even over $600 for top-quality examples, but in dirty condition, you are usually looking at a smaller value unless the coin has something special. Now let's talk about errors, because this is where the real money is. The 1939 wheat penny has several known mint errors like off-center strikes, where the design is not properly aligned. And these coins can sell for over $100 depending on how strong the error is. There are also broad strike errors, clipped planchets, and other unusual mint mistakes that collectors love. Even a dirty coin with a visible error can be worth much more than a clean normal coin. So if your 1939 penny looks strange, off-center, or has unusual marks, don't ignore it. It might be valuable. Collector interest in the 1939 wheat penny remains strong because it is affordable, historical, and part of a popular series. Many beginner collectors start with coins like this, and even experienced collectors look for high-grade or error varieties. Dirty condition coins are often found in old collections, coin rolls, or even pocket change from many years ago, which adds to the excitement of searching for them. So overall, the 1939 wheat penny in dirty condition may look simple, but it still holds history, collector demand, and the possibility of hidden value, especially if you know what to look for. 1941 wheat penny coin in dirty condition. Now moving to the 1941 wheat penny. This coin is even more fascinating because it comes from a very important year just before the United States officially entered World War II, making it one of the last pennies made before major changes in metal composition during the war years. The design of the 1941 penny is the same classic Lincoln wheat design, with Abraham Lincoln on the front and wheat ears on the back. Even in dirty condition, the design remains easy to recognize, although the details may appear worn or darkened due to circulation. One very important thing about the 1941 wheat penny is its extremely high mintage. With more than 1 billion coins produced across all mints, this makes it one of the most common wheat pennies, and that means most dirty examples are not very valuable on their own. In circulated and dirty condition, a 1941 wheat penny is usually worth just a few cents to maybe under $1, depending on how worn it is, but again, like we discussed earlier, condition and errors can change everything. If the coin is in higher grade condition, even with some dirt but still strong detail, the value can increase to several dollars, and mint state examples can reach higher prices. Proof coins from 1941 are especially valuable because they were made in limited numbers, with only about 21,100 produced. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the errors. The 1941 wheat penny has some very famous and valuable errors, especially the double die obverse. This error shows clear doubling on the text like, "In God we trust," and "Liberty," and even the date. These coins can be extremely valuable, with prices ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on condition. Other errors include off-center strikes, broad strikes, die cap errors, and repunched mint marks. A strong off-center strike can sell for hundreds of dollars, even if the coin is in dirty condition, as long as the date is visible. This means that even a dark, worn, and dirty 1941 penny can be a hidden treasure if it has the right error. That is why collectors always check their coins carefully instead of ignoring them. Collector interest in the 1941 wheat penny is also very strong because of its historical timing and the wide variety of errors available. While most coins are common, the search for rare varieties keeps collectors excited. Many people still find these coins in old jars, collections, and even in circulation, which makes them very popular among beginners. One more important thing to remember is that dirty coins should not be cleaned, because cleaning can reduce their value. Collectors prefer coins in original condition, even if they look old and worn. So the 1941 wheat penny in dirty condition might seem like a simple coin, but it carries history, high mintage, and the potential for valuable errors that can turn an ordinary coin into something special. 1953 D wheat penny coin in dirty condition. Now let's talk about the 1953 D wheat penny. And this coin is very special because it comes from the final years of the wheat penny series, just a few years before the design changed forever in 1959. So collectors always see this coin as part of the ending chapter of a very famous coin history. Even if your coin is dirty, dark, or looks old, it still carries strong historical value. The 1953 D wheat penny was made at the Denver Mint, and you can identify it by the small D mint mark below the date. This coin still has the same classic design with Abraham Lincoln on the front and the wheat ears on the back, which represent agriculture and the strength of the American economy during earlier years. One important thing about this coin is its very high mintage. Around 700 million coins were produced at the Denver Mint alone, which means it is a very common coin. Because of this, most dirty or circulated examples are not very expensive. In average worn condition, a 1953 D wheat penny is usually worth just a few cents, often around 3 to 5 cents, but some sources show slightly higher values depending on condition and demand. But here is where things get interesting, because even though the coin is common, certain versions can be worth much more. If the coin is in better condition, even slightly better than average, it can reach values of a few dollars, and mint state examples can go above $20 or more, and in rare auction cases, high-grade coins have sold for even higher prices, showing that condition plays a very big role. Now let's talk about errors, because this is the most exciting part for collectors. The 1953 D wheat penny has some very important error varieties. One of the most famous is the repunched mint mark, where the D was stamped more than once, creating a shadow-like doubling effect. These coins can be very valuable, sometimes selling from $10 to hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on condition. Another rare and valuable error is when the coin is struck on the wrong planchet, like a silver dime planchet, and these coins can reach over $1,000 even in circulated condition. Off-center strikes are also popular, where part of the design is missing due to misalignment during minting, and these can sell for good money if the date is still visible. Collectors are always searching for these error coins, even in dirty condition, because the originality of the coin matters more than how shiny it looks. In fact, cleaning a coin can reduce its value, so a dirty coin is often better left as it is. Collector interest in the 1953 D wheat penny is still strong, especially because it is easy to find, affordable, and full of possible hidden surprises. Many collectors enjoy searching through rolls or old collections hoping to find a rare error or high-grade example. So even if your 1953 D wheat penny looks dark, worn, and dirty, don't ignore it, because it could still carry history, collector demand, and maybe even a hidden valuable error that most people miss. 1954 D-Wheat penny coin in dirty condition. Now moving to the 1954 D-Wheat penny. This coin is also from the final years of the Wheat penny series, making it part of an important transition period in coin history. By this time, the wheat design was close to being replaced, so these coins represent the last generation of a very iconic design. Just like the previous coins, the 1954 D-Penny features Abraham Lincoln on the front and wheat stalks on the back. Even in dirty condition, the design is still recognizable, although the details may be faded due to years of circulation. The 1954 D-Wheat penny was also minted in large numbers. With over 251 million coins produced, this means it is quite common, and most dirty examples are not very valuable on their own. In average circulated condition, the coin is usually worth around 10 to 15 cents, which is still more than its face value because of the copper content and collector interest. However, like always, condition can change everything. If the coin has strong detail, even with some dirt, its value can increase to a few dollars. And if you find a coin in mint state condition, it can reach $20 or more depending on quality and grading. Now let's talk about errors, because this is where collectors get excited. The 1954 D-Wheat penny can have errors like die cracks, off-center strikes, and die chips. Some coins show unusual marks or raised lines caused by damaged dies during production. While small errors may not add huge value, larger or more visible errors can increase the coin's worth significantly. There are also cases of repunched mint marks, similar to the 1953 D-Penny, although they are less famous. These varieties are still collectible and can bring higher prices depending on how clear the error is. Another important point is that many dirty coins still hide details under the surface. Sometimes a coin may look worn, but under proper light, you might notice doubling, misalignment, or other rare features. That is why collectors always inspect coins carefully instead of judging them only by appearance. Collector interest in the 1954 D-Wheat penny remains steady because it is part of the final wheat penny years, easy to find, and still offers the chance of discovering errors. Many beginners start collecting with coins like this because they are affordable and widely available. So the 1954 D-Wheat penny in dirty condition may not look impressive at first, but it still holds value, history, and the possibility of hidden surprises. And remember, sometimes the dirtiest coins are the ones that people overlook, but collectors know that even these coins can tell a story and sometimes even bring unexpected value. 1958 Wheat penny coin in dirty condition. Now we come to one of the most exciting coins in this list, the 1958 Wheat penny. And this coin is very special because it is the last year ever of the Wheat penny design, which makes it a historic ending coin that collectors always love to keep in their collections. Even if your coin looks dirty, dark, or worn, it still represents the final chapter of a design that lasted almost 50 years. The 1958 Wheat penny still carries the same classic look, with Abraham Lincoln on the front and the wheat ears on the back, but what makes it different is that after this year, the design changed to the Lincoln Memorial in 1959. That means this coin is the final piece of the original Wheat penny series, and that alone gives it strong collector interest. This coin was made in very large numbers, with over 1 billion coins minted in total across Philadelphia and Denver. Because of this, most 1958 Wheat pennies are very common, especially in dirty or circulated condition. If you have a normal worn coin, its value is usually around 5 cents to maybe 50 cents, depending on how much detail is still visible. But here is where things get interesting, because even though the coin is common, some versions can be extremely valuable. If a 1958 penny is in high-grade condition with original red color, it can be worth hundreds of dollars, and in rare cases even more. Some top-quality coins have sold for over $500 or even higher depending on grading. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the errors, because this is where this coin becomes truly special. The 1958 Wheat penny has one of the most famous and valuable errors in the entire Wheat penny series, which is the double die obverse. This error shows clear doubling on the letters and date, especially in Liberty and the numbers. These coins are very rare and can be worth thousands of dollars, sometimes even reaching very high auction prices. There are also other errors like repunched mint marks, off-center strikes, and die breaks. A repunched mint mark means the D was stamped more than once, creating a shadow effect. And these coins can sell for hundreds of dollars depending on how strong the error is. Off-center coins, where the design is not properly aligned, are also very collectible and can bring strong prices if the date is still visible. Another important thing is that sometimes dirty coins hide these valuable features. A coin may look dark and worn, but under careful checking, you might find doubling or other rare details. That is why collectors never ignore dirty coins, because sometimes they carry hidden value that others miss. Collector interest in the 1958 wheat penny is very strong because it is the final wheat penny ever made. Many collectors want at least one example of this coin to complete their set, and some focus only on finding high-quality or error versions. Even beginners like this coin because it is easy to find and has a clear historical story. So even if your 1958 wheat penny looks dirty, old, or worn, don't ignore it. It may be common, but it still holds history, collector demand, and the exciting possibility of rare errors that can turn a simple coin into something very valuable. And sometimes, the last coin in a series becomes one of the most important ones to own.